We are not caught unprepared.
Kakun Nyotrep National Awakening Movement na Khnam ne kasngi kala IT ya kajing Jingmut shaka expert committee man khmi bnya eka Bhah Thung kajala working president ka Khnam uba Thomas Pasa aba penpau ya kajing sngo jong ula Jingmut ya ka Bhah Thung ka ba prapo na kashispa na ka benta ka jaj benriu KHASI jain tia bat garo Halor kemerit akaju ka por ka seng kala Jingmut ba ya ka Bhah na ka benta ki KHASI jain tia dei ban kentiu shaka sanpho na kashispa da ka khmi bnya ya ka jingbun briu na ka liang ka seng kala Jingmut ru badei ban ai ya ka Bhah ka ba prapo na kashispa hakikam shimet na ka benta ki trai ri.
There's always a first time for anything. Why we are seeing that? You see, there is the government, how much job can it give to the youth? And we have a very high rate of unemployment. And they are very capable youth. So we request that if this reservation policy is extended to the private sector, I don't think there's a loss for private sector. Maybe they'll have good capable youth in their companies, in their private sector to help them increase in the business also. Submission of the proposed amendment, the next is for the expert committee to sit and work on this. So we'll keep a watch on this and we'll keep track.